sense love nor any way. And he forges cold iron, who wants to profit from it without harm? For love wants to kill me, as an evil lord kills his men, when his war is mortal to me, and his peace worse than martyrdom. And if we were ever enemies, never to bar with Louise, made a plea with so many pleasures as I, when his wrong turns to my right. For as amends and as a gift, my lady has chosen me above all others, on whom all good rights are placed in beautiful form, from which I die of anger and of care, because love does not treat me as a companion. For with heartfelt sighs, the treacherous beautiful semblance of her kills me, whom I love without a treacherous heart. For with youth she wars against age, for she is worth more than all words. So hearing and seeing shows me. Which forces me and makes me speak pride in her natural color, which always grows graceful and mixes nothing else but gay solace with sweet laughter. And since loving so sets me right, my distress advances her little. And if her beautiful words are true, my good hope is worth all. Beautiful lady, and just you would not hold me so constrained in your honored prison, from which I have no power to turn myself. Rather, I am so faithful and loyal to you that I am false to myself. And I love you so much that I hate myself for it. And if I do not do nor say so much as befits your friend, indeed my power fails me. Myself equal to the richest, and when I trouble myself over others, it is not indifference that makes me do it, but your honored behavior. Of any lineage, nor better, for which I pledge my yes to your no. And if I were of the most joyful, I would be equal to the God of love. For I am saved in his paradise, because I am your man and servant. For his best saint preaches, but false slanderous enemies have taken from me. sphere takes much joy from me. Take much joy from me. The sphere takes much joy from me. Ooh, lay. Your good counsel will be bad to me if you do not give me something else. And because I dare not contradict it, therefore I honor your rich counsel of the Emperor Frederick. For it suits me to have more pleasures, as I am the truest of lovers. The rich, surpassing worth of Lady Beatrice is such that no one can say it all in praise. But on matters of love I tell you of my rich, beautiful knight, that she has more worth, and it is true.